Okay, now for a kind of final stage of the customer interaction, or the whole customer service part of working in a coffee shop, is ringing up the order. And again, like it takes time to learn all the different coffee drinks, espresso drinks, it takes time to learn the register. We probably have, maybe 75 different things to ring up on the register, so it does take some time. But I'll give you a few of the basics. First of all, I ask the customer if, is that all they would like? And if they tell me, yep, I'm good, then, for example, if you look at the register, you'll see all kinds of different categories. The coffee drinks, the food, donuts, bakery, chips, everything. And everything is pretty much labeled on here. And so, for example, our customer, let's say, that ordered that small coffee and the muffin, we'll ring that up. So I'll come over and I'll punch this right here, which says small coffee, which comes up at $1.65. And then I'll punch in muffin, which comes up at $2.05. And then to add the two together and to add the tax, we will push subtotal. And subtotal is right here. And basically, that adds the muffin and the coffee together and adds the tax on and shows the customer what they owe. And one thing that's nice is we try to color code the categories of the products. Yeah, like here, most of our bakery items are in green. Some of the salads are in purple. Exactly. Coffee drinks are in light yellow, dark yellow. So that helps a little bit so you're not stuck searching all over yeah. Have you worked with a cash register before? Okay. Yeah, the nice thing is once you do it, even though every other place has every different kind of a register, once you kind of understand the basic idea and concept of a register, it's easier for you to learn the next register that you work on. So, yeah. So then what I'll do is I'll ask the customer, I'll tell the customer it's $3.98. They'll either pay with cash or with a credit card. Typically we don't take checks. You can ask. Sometimes I'll take a check from a customer. Right. Yeah. And if a customer wants to write a check, you can always just ask me and then I can accept it or not. Yeah. A few of our customers do, but they're regular customers and I trust them that their check will go through. Yeah. So, but most people don't pay in check these days. We'll see a lot of credit cards and debit cards. So then what I'll do is, let's say they give me $4. What I can do is punch in 400 and push the cash tender button, which is over here. Yep, and that opens the register, and it also shows me what change I owe the customer. So in this case, I just owe them 2 cents. There, and give it back to them. if you can add it up in your head, you don't have to push the $4. You can just push cash and it'll just open up for you. It'll open the register up for you. If a customer decides to pay with a credit card, what we do is we just slide, the strip goes, faces in towards the register or in towards here, and you just run it through, and right away it asks you what is the amount. And what the amount was from before was $3.98. So we'll just push in $3.98, and then you press the green button, which means enter. And what that will do is produce a receipt, and the customer will then just sign the receipt, and the receipt then goes into the cash register with the other ones. And if the customer wants a copy of this, we can print out a copy and give them the copy of it along with their card back. Or if they don't want a copy of it, to save paper, we can just press the stop sign so that saves the paper, so we don't print out or waste a bunch more paper. Yeah, and that's that process. So no matter if it's a $100 order or a $2 order, it's all the same. Yeah, so once you know it, it comes very easy. Yeah. So those are really the basic duties, I should say. Wonderful. Well, thanks for coming in. More training and working with you.